Well, it's been a while since I've done a video of this 10 Seer air conditioner. I haven't done a video of that for like about 2 years at least. There's the sticker right here. The UL number is 7F62. I can't read the stickers down there that good, but and it says Rhemm over here. It's got 2 metal blades, as you can see. Excuse me. And don't know if there's anything down there on that side, but hey, yeah, it's in the backyard of my house, as you can see. Yeah, the lawn needs to be mowed, but it won't happen until my dad gets a replacement cord. Anyway, I'll take you inside. It's got the Honeywell thermometer, and we'll go ahead and turn. Oh, before I turn it on, I'm gonna show you another look at the air conditioner for the hay of it. Yep. Anyways, I'll go ahead and turn this on. So here we go. And I'll go take you outside. Okay. Alright, here it is. Finally on. Well, I'm finally ready to do it safely. I got the. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the email. Tell. I'll go ahead and start it up. Like, never mind, I'm putting it like that. I'm gonna turn it on now. I will go ahead and turn it off now. Okay. Well, I guess that's just about it. So I hope you enjoyed, and just thought I'd do a video of it. So